Why would anyone choose to work in pest control? Because it actually offers some pretty solid perks that don't get talked about enough. First off, the job is super stable since pests don't just disappear, right? You're always going to have work because people will always need help keeping their homes and businesses safe. Plus, it's not just one thing all day. Some days you're inspecting, other days you're applying treatments, so it mixes things up and keeps it interesting. If you like figuring stuff out, pest control lets you use your brain to tackle problems in different ways. And you get a lot of freedom since you're usually out doing your thing solo, not stuck behind a desk all day. Another cool thing is the impact you're actually helping keep people healthy by getting rid of bugs and rodents that spread diseases. If you're thinking long-term, there's room to move up or even start your own pest control gig. Also, the training and certifications they offer can really boost your skills, especially if you like biology or science stuff. And if you hate being cooped up inside, this job gets you outside, which is a nice change for a lot of folks. One of the biggest mistakes people make when thinking about pest control jobs is underestimating the safety aspect. Using the wrong chemicals or not following guidelines can cause more harm than good. Always make sure to get proper training and use protective gear. Another common issue is poor communication with customers. Pest control is as much about explaining what you're doing as actually doing it, so keep things clear and friendly. Finally, some folks forget that pest control requires patience rushing treatments, or skipping follow-ups means pests can come back. Stick to the plan and be thorough. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people looking for their services, making it easier to grow their business.